Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Canon PIXMA G3260 printer drivers onto your Windows computer. This tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11 computers. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your web browser of choice. I'm going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. So we're going to go ahead and search for Canon PIXMA G3260 printer drivers. So go ahead and search for that. So it should come back with one of the best results should be from a Canon domain here. So we can go ahead and open that up. And select the drivers and downloads button. And you want to select the setup package, so the G3060 series driver setup package. Go ahead and select the select button and select the download. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it and select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. You can close out of the web browser at this point and you want to select the start setup button. Select next. And you want to agree to the end user license terms and select yes. Now there'll be also an additional prompt here for using additional services. So if you select do not agree, you're going to be opting out of certain services that may be required, such as using PIXMA Cloud link. So just keep that in mind and you'll have to confirm that and select OK. That's if you choose to opt out, of course. And then you'll go ahead and select your correct connection type, follow along with the remaining on-screen prompts, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.